Making a budget-friendly meal plan requires a bit of planning and creativity, but it can save you a lot of money in the long run. Here are the steps you can follow to create a budget-friendly meal plan. Set a budget. Determine how much money you want to spend on food each week or month. This will help you plan your meals accordingly. Plan your meals. Take some time to plan out your meals for the week or month. Think about what ingredients you already have on hand, what's on sale at the grocery store, and what recipes you can make that use similar ingredients. Make a shopping list. Once you have your meals planned out, make a list of the items you need to buy. Stick to your list when you go grocery shopping to avoid overspending. Shop smart. Look for sales, use coupons, and buy in bulk when possible to save money. Stick to the perimeter of the grocery store where fresh produce, meats, and dairy products are located, as these tend to be the most budget-friendly options. Cook in bulk. Consider cooking larger batches of food that can be used for multiple meals. For example, you can make a big pot of soup that can be eaten for lunch and dinner for a few days. Use cheaper ingredients. Incorporate cheaper ingredients like beans, lentils, rice, and pasta into your meals. These are often more filling and nutritious than more expensive proteins like meat. Meal prep. Spend some time prepping your meals in advance to save time and reduce the likelihood of buying takeout or eating out. This can include washing and chopping vegetables, marinating meat, or cooking grains. Avoid food waste. Use leftovers creatively by incorporating them into new meals or freezing them for later. You can also buy frozen fruits and vegetables instead of fresh ones to reduce the likelihood of them going bad before you can use them. By following these steps, you can create a budget-friendly meal plan that can save you money without sacrificing taste or nutrition.